I need to take some shots of Crown. Gucci on my waistband. Now I'm drinking a fucking Smirnoff. The fuck? Said she wanna talk to me, she's gotta take a rain check, motherfucking rain check. Walk around with my fragrance. Yeah, she said this shit makes no sense. And she tryna talk to me, it makes no sense. Baby, living in the past tense. Yeah, I got bitches on me, I'm in the present. Yeah, I wanted your love, but you gave me no payment. You're giving me a nightmare, Freddy and I'm Jason. I just want to be nice to you, I just want to be Jason. Be close to the yard, let you give me in your basement. Now you watch my stories, I just don't say shit. You're the one who's pulling the strings, you're the one who caused us. Yeah, all my jewelry is silver. Yeah, that pussy ass boy, his shit is stainless. Yeah, if he has any at all. Yeah, just told me I'll be in one car. My brain pulling up in more than one car. Pull up in a tank like a yellow Hummer. Yeah, blow his shit back, take his bitch back. Already hit that pussy ass bitch, what is you even talking about? Ain't trying to joust this bitch in her favorite blouse. I'm an original, might as well call me Klaus. Coldest way to ever announce. Asking how my dick tastes and I'll take it out. When I'm down, you're gonna wanna scream and shout. When I'm down, she's gonna be screaming out.